Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the language on your Hyundai TV. So first, let's head over to the settings. As you guys can see, we have to scroll all the way to the right or simply open the menu on the left. Now let's scroll down to System, then go to Language, and here, as you guys can see, we can change the language. Now it's Spanish, Greek, French, I don't know about this one, Croatian, Italian, Latvian, and there's a lot more languages. So as you guys can see, you got a lot of languages to choose from, so I'm pretty sure there will be your language as well if you're not an English speaker. But that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.